In this video, you'll learn how to embed an MP4 video in WordPress. By following these steps, you will successfully add a video to your site, enhancing its content and engagement. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. In your web browser, enter the URL for WordPress.com and press enter. Once the page loads, you will see the WordPress.com homepage, where you can find the Sites option in the main navigation menu. Next, click on Sites to view all the sites you've created. This action will direct you to a list of your WordPress sites. Locate and select the specific site where you want to embed the video. Click on its name to proceed. After that, you will enter the site's dashboard. Look for the close button typically located towards the top of the screen. Clicking this button will take you to the main editing interface of your site. Once you are in the editing interface, locate the plus icon, which is usually visible in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open a menu of content options available for your site. Following this, a menu will appear with various content types. Look for the option labeled video and click on it to proceed with embedding your video. At this point, you should see the option to upload a video. Click on this option to initiate the upload process. Remember that the video file size may affect how long the upload takes, especially if your internet connection is slow. Then a file selection dialog will open. Navigate to the location on your computer where the MP4 video is stored. Select the desired video file and click on the Open button to begin the upload. After the upload is complete, you will receive a confirmation that the video has been successfully embedded into your WordPress site. You can now see the video in the editing interface, ready for further adjustments if needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.